What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. My name is Joven, and this is where you find the hottest and the newest microcap plays in the crypto space. Now, the project that we're about to cover in this video has been making a huge amount of waves in the crypto space. Every time I open up crypto Twitter, I see nothing but this project. I scroll for a few, like maybe a minute, and I'm already seeing people talking about this project. The project that I'm talking about is Dejitaru Tsuka, or Tsuka for short. If you hold Tsuka, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. As you guys can see, Meme Coin Daily, 790 subscribers. Let's get to 800, 900 subscribers next. Now, I have covered Tsuka on the channel before, and the community of Tsuka is super base. You guys, as the community of Tsuka, one of the best I've seen in crypto. Shout outs to Patty Stash as well, doing his best to spread the word about the project. Just a super base community, and we know for a fact, I've seen it time and time again in the meme coin, degen space. For projects like this to succeed, you need a very strong community. Once the community is strong and putting in that work, spreading the word of the project, there really is no telling how far the project could go in the future. Now, as always, guys, please be aware I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now, over to the coin market cap of Tsuka, you would see that there's 5,739 people that has it on their watch list. All organic, by the way. Nothing inorganic about Tsuka's growth. The price right now of Tsuka is 10 cents, $102 million in market cap, and $1.392 million in 24-hour trade volume. Down 87% right now, but that's fine because the project has been holding a floor around that $100 million mark. And like I said, the community has been putting in that work. Let's go to the 3-month right here. As you guys can see, we were in a corrective phase, retracing a bit. Then we found a bottom and had a huge move to the upside thanks to the community spreading the message and the word of Tsuka. And then if we switch over to the 1-month chart, after that huge move up, had a bit of a retrace, and as you guys can see, we are continuing up further for the Tsuka chart, which is super bullish, guys. And this is all off the community being so based as you guys are. Like, one of the best communities in the space that I have seen by far. Now, when we look at the market cap of a project like Tsuka, that's sitting at $102 million in market cap, a 10x from here, still very likely in a bull market, going straight to $1 billion in market cap, which would take Tsuka to $1. But 100x, in a bull market, anything is possible, especially with all the new retail, all the new investors, all the new, eyes in the crypto space, getting to know about crypto when we're about to peak FOMO season, when there's just so much new investors in the space. 100x from here in Tsuka is very possible as well, and I wouldn't rule it out. That would take it to $10 billion in market cap. And could it go even higher than that? Who knows? You just really never know in crypto because it is very unpredictable. You can't rule anything out in crypto. It's very unexpected, very unpredictable. So who knows what the future could hold. But like I said, with a base community like the Tsuka community, and the way that I'm seeing they get people interested in the project, it's very bullish. There's a ton of meme coins out there, but the meme coins that will be successful, have a future, is the meme coins that have strong, tight-knit communities, that have, very good wills to hold the floor, that have very like-minded goals towards their project. Tsuka is one of those, definitely, from what I'm seeing, from everything I've researched and everything I've looked into about the project. It definitely has higher chances of success compared to all the other meme coins. There's only a few projects in the degen meme coin space that I really see that could have, astronomical run in the future. And like I said, Tsuka, from what I could see, is one of those projects. We scroll down, we could see the centralized exchanges that Tsuka is listed on, and we have BitGet being number 1 with 192k 24-hour trade volume, CoinX Mexi 135k, Mexi, Bitforex 148k, CoinTiger, and BitTrue. And recently there has been an announcement that Tsuka will be listed on Gate.io next. Now when we head over to the official Twitter of Tsuka, we see that they have 10,600 followers and a pinned tweet recently. All leaders have become drunk on power, greed, and selfishness, and their sphere of influence has strayed away from the core roots of what's got us there. And we have a tweet from Shaitoshi Kusama. Sheep Army, I need a quick vote. We have been kindly invited to work with the World Economic Forum as it pertains to their MV global policy. Would love to know what you all think, because it's not our decision but yours. Shaitoshi, one of the founders of Sheeb, trying to get in works with the World Economic Forum. Now, the World Economic Forum, because I'm a bit of a conspiracy theorist, is the same people that say you will own nothing and be happy. The same people that plan to introduce CBDC, central bank digital currencies, for all of us to use. And this is not decentralization. It's the same people that have been running the world into the ground. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm a bit of a conspiracy theorist, guys, but this is why I'm in crypto, because of decentralization, right? I don't want my money to be controlled. A CBDC, whenever those get implemented, you could wake up one morning and then all of a sudden your assets are frozen. And the World Economic Forum is basically the ambassadors, the creators for this type of regime. Are these really the people you want to be working with? You know what I'm saying? Because they're the complete opposite of what decentralization is. Now I could understand why this quote retweet was done by Tsuka with the quote, power, greed, and core roots, straying away from their core roots. Because remember, Ryoshi founded Sheeb on full decentralization, and that's what Tsuka is doing its best to accomplish. Full decentralization, guys. Dejitaru Tsuka will be listed on November 29th, 2022. The more exchange listings for Tsuka, the better, guys. The more exchange listings, the more trade volume, more chances for the project to get on the more legitimate exchanges like a KuCoin, like a Huobi, like a Binance. As long as you guys, as the Tsuka community, stay so based, things will just fall in place for the project. Dragon at the gate, Gate.io. We are grateful for our ever expanding family and to perpetually grow this revolution by the people. Embrace transformation with Tsuka. And we could see right here, Gate.io startup re-offering Tsuka is coming, and the subscription for Tsuka's startup is from the 25th to the 26th, from yesterday to today. Tsuka will be getting listed on Gate.io. Now, like I said, guys, it's all baby steps. It's one step. You take the project one step at a time, and you never know how far it could go in the future. There's projects like Dogecoin Mars that I completely faded in the last cycle, and you know, every time I would check back on it or hear about it, and then I would see some type of new development. This exchange listing, crypto.com listing, I was like, what is happening? And I could see the same thing for Tsuka in the future, guys. It will fall in place, you know, one step at a time. I can't stress it enough how based the Tsuka community is. We're gonna go through some tweets from other investors in the project. We have a tweet from Mayfos, legit name in the space. Sheep starting veefriends with the WEF, sucking Schwabs. That's not Ryoshi Research's vision, far from it. That's why so many Shiba whales are converting their stack to the one decentralized Tsuka. Just sold all my Sheeb and put it into Tsuka. Tweet from Johnny. This was a quote retweet, you know what I'm saying? 100 likes, 31 retweets there, 218 likes, 41 retweets. Social engagement through the roof, and you could see the message of Tsuka is spreading. True decentralization, to stick to Ryoshi's vision. Have another tweet from Crypto Wizard, huge name in the space, 426k followers on Twitter. Decided to YOLO a small bag of Tsuka in the last big dip, already up nicely. Blame Patty Stash for hardcore shilling this in my DMs. Let's see how high this goes. 104k, you know, six figures dropped on Tsuka, thanks to Patty Stash getting Crypto Wiz interested in the project, guys. 562 likes, 106 retweets. That's what I said. The community of Tsuka, super base. So shout outs to Patty Stash for that. Had to definitely mention this, guys. It's crazy to see. And this is a small bag for Crypto Wizard, 6 figures, you know what I'm saying? That's a small bag on Tsuka. Crazy stuff. From Tubba.eth, and now we are live on Gate.io, retweeting a tweet from Gate.io saying, "Good morning, Tsuka community." Tubba.eth, a huge Tsuka whale, hole in the floor, diamond handing in the project because he knows where the project will go in the future. From Crypto Millionaires Club USA, let's do a summary list of the exchanges that has listed Tsuka. We are only about 6 months plus old since token launch. It's only been 6 months, around 6 months or so. That's crazy. So we got Coin Tiger, BitGet, CoinX, Mexi Global, Bitforex, BitTrue, Hotbit, Gate.io, Bitmart. What's gonna be next, guys? Full on question marks. Like I said, you can't rule out anything in crypto. Always expect the unexpected, especially when you have a base community like the Tsuka community. From Sheepa Party, Sheeb whales are jumping on the Tsuka train. Come join us, Sheeb Army. And we have an image right here showing the Etherscan transactions of Shiba whales getting their hands on some Tsuka, guys. Very bullish stuff, you know what I'm saying? And we have to remember what Tsuka was founded on: true decentralization, Ryoshi's vision. Very bullish project. Like I said, the community is super based, and this is why I could see a future for the project, especially when you look at so many other projects in the space. You can't really compare Tsuka to any other project. Tsuka Army, let me get your thoughts about the project down in the comment section. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Really helps the channel out. And if this is your first time hearing about the project, let me get your thoughts as well. Everything Tsuka and myself will be down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.